The term big data has become a popular word in many industries and in healthcare sectors, and it's no exception. But what exactly is big data and how is it revolutionizing the development of new medicines? Well, this video will break down the basics and highlights how big data is playing a crucial role in bringing innovative treatments to patients faster and more effectively. So let's start with the first one. What is big data? Big data refers to the vast volumes of information generated by digital sources. These data can come from various places, including electronic health records, EHRs, clinical trials, genetic sequencing, wearable devices, and even social media. The sheer size and complexity of this data require advanced technologies and methods to analyze and interpret them effectively. So, let's look at the second one, that is speeding up drug recovery. One of the most common exciting applications of big data in medicine is speeding up drug recovery processes. Traditionally, developing a new drug can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars. But big data is helping to streamline this process in several ways. Let's look at an example. By analyzing vast amount of generic data, researchers can identify potential drug targets more quickly. They can see which genes are associated with certain diseases and design drugs to interact with these specific genes or proteins. So what is the solution? Companies like Atomwise use artificial intelligence (AI) and big data to predict how different molecules will interact with specific targets in the body. This speeds up the process of finding promising drug candidates and reduce the need for extensive lab testing. That's a good one. The third one is enhancing clinical trials. Clinical trials are essential for testing the safety and effectiveness of new drugs, but they are also time-consuming and expensive. Big data is transforming how clinical trials are designed and conducted. Example, by analyzing patient data, researchers can identify suitable candidates for clinical trials more effectively. They can also monitor trial participants in real time, adjusting protocols as needed to ensure safety and effectiveness. So what's the solution? Wearable devices and mobile health applications collect real-time data from patients participating in clinical trials. This data can provide insight into how patients are responding to the treatment and allowing for quicker adjustments and more accurate results. Number 4, personalized medicine, that is tailoring treatments to individuals. One size fits all treatments are becoming a thing of the past. Big data enables the development of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to the individual's characteristics of each patient. Let's look for example. By analyzing data from EHRs, genetic tests, and other sources, doctors can identify the best treatment option for each patient. For example, cancer treatment can be customized based on the genetic profile of both the patient and the tumor. What's the solution now? Companies like 23andMe use genetic data to provide personalized healthcare reports. This information can provide doctors in choosing the most effective treatment, reducing trial and error, and providing and improving patient outcomes. Predictive analytics, that is foreseeing health trends. Big data allows researchers to predict health trends and potential outbreaks before they happen, leading to better preparedness and response. Example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, big data was used to track the spread of the virus and predict which areas could be most affected. This information helped healthcare providers allocate resources more effectively and implement targeted interventions. So let's see the solution. Platforms like HealthMap aggregate data from various sources, including social media, to provide real-time information about disease outbreaks. This predictive capabilities is invaluable in preventing the spread of infectious disease and managing public healthcare crises. So the sixth one now, improving drug safety and monitoring. Once a drug is in the market, big data continues to provide a vital role in the monitoring of its safety and effectiveness by analyzing data from various sources. Researchers can identify potential side effects and adverse reactions more quickly. Let's see an example. EHRs and social media platforms provide a wealth of data on how patients are responding to new medications. By analyzing these data, researchers can spot trends and issues that might not be apparent in clinical trials. So the solution now is the FDA's Sentinel initiative uses big data to monitor the safety of approved drugs. This system analyzes data from millions of patients to detect potential safety issues and take action before they become widespread problems. So having said all these things now, what's the next step? Now, what's the future of medicine with big data? Big data is not just a popular word, it's a powerful tool that is turning the way we develop and deliver new medicines by speeding up drug recovery, enhancing clinical trials, enabling personalized medicine, predicting healthcare trends, improving healthcare safety or drug safety. Big data is transforming healthcare and bringing innovative treatment to patients faster than ever before. As technology continues to advance, the role of big data in medicine will only grow. The future of health is bright, with big data leading the way to more effective, efficient, and personalized treatment for all. So the next time you hear about the groundbreaking new drug or treatment, remember that big data likely played a significant role in making it possible. So, after said and done, if you have questions regarding big data or on this video, please leave it on the comment section and our team will respond back to you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Bye and peace for now.